Now let's talk about the vacuum that you're gonna need for the end-of-tenancy carpet cleaning. Let me explain you something. The amount of crap which is sitting in this carpet is crazy. People usually not vacuuming the carpets for entire tenancy at all, as you can see. It all depends of the house, of the community. There is so many factors which is involved. How you adjusting the end-of-tenancy cleaning for the client, for the agency, for different kind of requirements. But if you're gonna vacuum these carpets properly, they're gonna look already amazing, and then you're gonna process with the carpet cleaning. You're gonna give a little bit of nice fresh sense, and everyone's gonna be happy. So I'm using the SIBO. This is German vacuum. You can buy them for 100-150 pounds second hand. They goes forever. The brush underneath is powered by the electric motor which is sitting in here. So the scrubbing power is amazing. They've got back, so you don't have to hassle yourself emptying the vacuum over and over and again. And they are amazing for this kind of jobs. You want the carpets to be vacuumed as best as possible. So here we go. Remember, the brush is gonna do the job for you. Don't push the vacuum forward and backward like crazy. Let the brush do the job. And relax. The good point is, if you're gonna go through some kind of big things laying down on the carpet, this vacuum is not gonna break down. The motor is super powerful and it's gonna last long. Don't buy those Henrys. The Henry is cheap. Never buy the Henry. Buy yourself vacuum which I'm recommending you, and you're gonna be over the moon. But you have to understand how to use them properly and how to maintain them, because they also need to be taken care about. Otherwise, there will be things which is gonna start make your vacuum not performing well. See? And you just do it slowly. You've got the time. The brush is gonna take care about you. And it's gonna pull a lot from the carpets. So then when you're gonna do the carpet cleaning, you can achieve amazing results, and this way the property is gonna look good, smell nice, and everyone's gonna be super happy. Remember, I did in the last video the edges already, because as you can see, the vacuum is never gonna get there. So when you're cleaning the room, you're doing the edging, and then when you're coming with the big vacuum, you just literally extracting everything from it. Always do that slowly. Let the brush and suction do the job. How simple is it? That's how simple is that, when you've got the proper equipment, and it don't have to be super expensive. Like I said, you can get this vacuum for 100, 150 pounds if you're patiently looking on the marketplace. The cheapest Shark is cost over 200. No point. I also got the Shark because I'm using placental situations as well. Like when I'm doing the carpets, because I like the way you can use different attachments. That's also gonna save your time. If you've got things like this, boom, done. 6 minutes, and the carpet in the room is already looking spot on. There are also tricks which I'm not gonna be able to tell you here. But you can save a lot of time and money also. This carpet is made of wool. From the loop piles. So you have to take extra time to suck out the dust. Because when you're doing the carpet cleaning later, and you put the wet cleaning product on the dust, it's gonna cause you matte effect. And it's gonna downgrade the results that you're going to achieve. Carpets is the most important part of end-of-tenancy cleaning. Always remember that. Alright guys, I'm gonna carry on and I'm done for today. I'm not gonna do the carpets today because there was pets in the property and there was the infestation done. So for a couple of good few weeks, I think for about 10 or 14 days, the infestation product for the fleas and stuff like this need to be sitting in the carpet to be effective. So I'm gonna back to do these carpets in about 10 days, which again should take me no more than 2 hours. So enjoy your cleaning challenges and see you in the next one.